Digital is a longtime partner to SAP with deep specialization in regulated industries, and Sierra maintains one of the world's largest libraries of SAP BTP applications. Sierra is represented on the SAP BTP Advisory Council, and Sierra is one of the first SAP partners to achieve BTP certification from the SAP Integration and Certification Center. Sierra is a natural partner to SAP and its customers for projects involving the use of AI. Combining our industry expertise with our dominant competency in BTP and AI, Sierra has developed an application, called OhZone Optimized Plant Maintenance, that uses AI to promote safety and compliance in a plant environment. In a plant, there are multiple work centers, each led by a manager. There will be multiple technicians with different qualifications reporting to a manager. These technicians take care of different work orders assigned to them based on their qualifications. There will be two types of open orders. Orders can be regular or compliance-based. For regular work orders, any technician can work on this order. For compliance-based orders, only qualified technicians can work. Their work must be carried out between the compliance start date and compliance end date, and the technicians must do this work before his qualification expires date. Managers are concerned about various compliance and personnel-related issues that may rise in the maintenance plant, like expiring qualifications, compliance end date breached, wrong personnel assigned to work order, technician without qualification, technician leave. Our solution uses an LLM-based chatbot to simplify these complications. As the initial user of our chatbot, Surya, who holds the role of manager, has access to a specialized set of predefined questions designed to meet her strategic oversight needs. The chatbot tailors its functionalities to Surya's role, ensuring that she gets the most relevant and actionable insights. Our chatbot simplifies interaction for all users. As a manager, Surya might ask questions like, "Show me the open dispatched work orders for my team." This query will provide Surya with a comprehensive list of all open work orders that have been dispatched to her team members, allowing her to monitor their current workload. Surya might also ask, "Out of the dispatched work orders for my team, how many are compliance-based orders?" This will give her a count of all compliance-based orders from the dispatched work orders, helping her to track critical tasks that adhere to regulatory requirements. Surya might also ask for a list of the compliance-based orders. This request will generate a detailed list of all compliance-based orders, ensuring that Surya has visibility into tasks that must meet specific standards. She may also want to ask, "Show me soon-to-expire orders." This will provide a list of orders that are nearing their expiration dates, ensuring that critical tasks are completed on time to maintain operational efficiency and compliance. Additionally, Surya can request a list of open work orders with compliance due dates in this month. This will show her all open work orders that have compliance due dates within the current month, allowing you to prioritize and manage time-sensitive tasks effectively. All personnel users are prompted with a tailored set of questions designed to assist them in efficiently managing their specific tasks and responsibilities, driving productivity and enhancing plant safety and compliance. Scan the QR code on the left to access a complete catalog of Sierra's BTP offerings, or to connect directly with our expert advisory team, scan the QR code on the right and contact Sierra by mail.